Yes, get ready. Start. If you are new to meditation, choose one technique of meditation which is easy or suits you and try bringing it into your daily routine. There are many guided meditations available online to choose from. However, this technique is one of the most simple one to follow, especially if you are a beginner. Choose the same time of the day if possible and try to find that silent corner of the house where you sit to meditate. You can keep some plants around you and a soft pillow at this place and can choose to come back to this place every time you want to meditate. Set a time of 2 minutes to start with, which you can slowly increase as per your comfort. Start simple. Find an anchor or a point of focus. It can be your breath, it can be the sounds around you, it can be the eyebrow center, or simply focusing on your pulse or heartbeat. Bringing your attention to your anchor and try to keep the attention there. Every time your mind wanders into future, past thoughts, bring your attention back to your anchor. It may sound and even be difficult to focus attention if one is a beginner, but keep at it, says the yoga master, adding that with, with regularity and daily practice, one will be able to increase the time for which they sit for meditation, and slowly they will notice themselves getting better at it. Focus or concentrative meditation, where you will have a point of focus for your meditation. It could be your breath or any such anchor. Mindfulness meditation is somewhat similar to focus meditation in that we look at our thoughts from an objective point of view without judging them. We just observe the thoughts and let it pass by without holding on to one thought obsessively. Movement basis meditation, where one is active from the body and the entire focus is on the movement and nothing else. You are deeply focused, and this can bring you to the stated dharana, one point concentration. Mantra meditation is also one very effective and active form of meditation where one can chant some of the Sanskrit mantras. One begins with a simple or short mantra like Om Shanti 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 and repeats this mantra for a few times. This helps bring the vibration of the mantras subconsciously in the mind and body and get deeply engulfed in the state of concentration on the mantra. Visualization is also a very effective way to meditate. One draw a mental picture in the mind, anything visual which will calm the mind down, like a beautiful scenery or recalling some good memories or visualizing healing of the body, etc. Research has proven meditation helps reduce stress and anxiety improving the emotional health overall. It helps oneself introspect and look at things from other people's perspective and hence bring calm and peace in the mind in general. It's also an excellent tool to increase the level of concentration and hence is a useful tool for people who are working, studying or playing sports. Full stop.